Hi, I'm Emma. Today, I'm going to introduce you to my family members. Let's start with some important relationships. My father, my mother, my grandfather, and my grandmother. This is my father. This is my mother. This is my grandfather. This is my grandmother.
Who is father? Father is the male parent of a person. Who is mother? Mother is the female parent of a person. Who is grandmother? Grandmother is the mother of a person's father or mother. Who is grandfather? Grandfather is the father of a person's father or mother.
Now, I'm going to introduce you to my brother, my sister, my uncle, aunt, and my cousins. This is my brother. This is my sister. This is my uncle. These are my cousins. And this is my aunt.
Brother, the male sibling of a person. Sister, the female sibling of a person. Uncle, the brother of a person's father or mother. Aunt, the sister of a person's father or mother. Cousin, the child of a person's uncle or aunt.
Now we will learn some general family terms like parents, grandparents, husband, and wife. My mother is the wife of my father. My father is the husband of my mother. My mother and father are my parents. My grandparents are the parents of my father or mother. In this family photo, you can see my father's mother and father.
Husband, the male life partner married, of a woman. Wife, the female life partner married, of a man. Parents, the father and mother of a person. Grandparents, the parents of a person's father or mother.
Now let's learn about children, grandchildren, grandson, and granddaughter. My sister, my brother, and I are my parents' children. My sister, my brother, my cousins, and I are my grandparents' grandchildren. My brother and my male cousin are my grandparents' grandsons. My sister, my female cousin, and I are my grandparents' granddaughters.
Children, the sons and daughters of the parents. Grandchildren, the sons and daughters of the sons and daughters of the grandparents. Grandson, the son of the son or daughter of the grandparents. Granddaughter, the daughter of the son or daughter of the grandparents.
Here, we will learn some other general family terms like nephew, niece, sibling, and spouse. My uncle's son is my father's nephew. The uncle in the photo is my father's brother. My uncle's daughter is my father's niece. My brother and sister siblings. My father is my mother's spouse, and my mother is my father's spouse.
Nephew, the son of a person's brother or sister. Niece, the daughter of a person's brother or sister. Sibling, a brother or a sister of a person. Spouse, the married or life partner of a person. Husband is the spouse of a wife. Wife is the spouse of a husband. That wraps up the lessons. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next class.